Are you using ChatGPT or any other AI tool to generate the blog post content for you and copy pasting it to your website or your blog? Well, let me be brutally honest with you, this technique will not work. Anybody who's telling you just create the content from ChatGPT, copy it, paste it to a blog and make a lot of money, they're fooling you. And this is a big problem nowadays. I see channels with around 1 million subscribers are giving this kind of bad and wrong advice. They're telling you to copy paste the content from ChatGPT or other AI tools or create an age calculator web. Ranking for these kind of things are really hard, especially for new beginners like you. They can rank for these kind of keywords. They can send traffic to their website because they already have big following. So if you're doing this, you're copy pasting your content from AI and adding to your website, please do not do that. It will not work. So in this video, we'll talk about two important things. First important thing will be why copy pasting will not work, what happens when you do it, and you can all make sense by yourself after listening to me. Do not trust me 100%, just listen to me what I'm saying and then make your own opinion. And the second, we'll talk about what you should do instead, how you can use ChatGPT or AI tools to your advantage, not to copy paste, not to create below average content. Okay, so let's start it. And please, if you get any value from this video, please unsubscribe those people who are always telling you to create website within 10 minutes and make $1,000 every month, or create this below average content or age calculator and then make lots of money. They are playing with your emotions. They know how to sell dreams. They're not informating you anything. So please do that. Unsubscribe all those people who are just giving you wrong information. Okay, so let's talk about why copy pasting ChatGPT content will fail. So ChatGPT is a powerful tool. I use it for myself every day. But if you're copy pasting full blog posts without editing, without fact checking, without optimizing it, you're basically publishing what thousands other people are also posting. Try to understand like this. Whenever you ask something from ChatGPT, it gives you information or step-by-step procedure about the thing or whatever information you ask it. And all this information is coming to ChatGPT or these AI tools from somewhere, from a big database which is fed to these AI tools. For example, a lot of books, a lot of videos, a lot of research papers, a lot of websites, a lot of blog websites. So ChatGPT take all the information from all these resources, this database, this research paper, this website, and it simplifies this and give it to you in a small format. So what is happening? It is not creating really very valuable information. It is getting information from somewhere which already exists and giving to you. For example, if you want to write a blog post about what is cryptocurrency, so it's taking information from different blog posts on this database and it's giving you the information, what is cryptocurrency, and what do? You copy paste it on your website. But wait, at the same time, a lot of other people are also writing blog posts about it. A lot of other people are creating videos about it. What all they're doing, they're asking the ChatGPT same information. And guess what? ChatGPT will take out all this information from the same data pool. It gave you information. So what's happening is the same information in a little bit different way provided to you and hundreds of other people. And if you take the information, copy this information, paste it on your blog website, this is duplicate content. You all are providing the same information. And as per Google guidelines, if you want a high quality blog post, you need to provide some unique information, some useful information, not information which duplicate generic, and a lot of people already creating the information or which already existed. Of course, that's a totally different thing, the fair use of AI, how you should do it. But yes, we're talking about copy pasting and not putting a lot of effort by yourself. So basically, when you're publishing what thousands other people are also posting, that's duplicate content. That's generic information and it lacks EEAT. And guys, Google knows it. Your readers feel like this and your blog post, it suffers. So actually what's happening when you copy paste, your blog posts don't rank, your bounce rate increase, you get no organic backlinks, AdSense doesn't accept your blog. Forget about affiliate marketing because there's no real organic traffic to your website or blog post, which is low quality. And guys, a lot of time you see these big YouTubers, they're telling you that how they get so much traffic on the blog posts written by ChatGPT. First of all, they have big following, they have millions of subscribers. For example, my channel, I have thousands of subscribers. I will create this video. If I add a link in description, a lot of people go and check my website. Or sometimes I see they manipulate the data just to trick you to make these videos which are very trendy nowadays, because it's really easy to create content from ChatGPT, sell you some dreams and you can make a lot of money, and then nothing happens. You invest a lot of time, but nothing happens because you're not providing the original information. You're just giving the duplicate information which already exists on the internet. Okay, now let's talk about what you should do instead. What is the proper use of ChatGPT or other AI tools to create a blog post? Okay, so what will your right use will be? You can use it to outline a blog post. You can ask it to simplify or expand complex topics, then rewrite in your own voice. You can add real example, personal stories or data. And it's really important you should write blog posts about which you already have experience about. Please do not think about this, okay, I can make a lot of research about cryptocurrency. That might work, but yes, if you're not expert, you will lack EEAT in that area. So if you want, you can start learning in that domain. For example, if you want to write or create a blog post about, or create a complete blog about cryptocurrencies, try to get a lot of information, then start writing. Not just, you have no information, just copy from ChatGPT and learning on the side. No, that's not the right way to do things. So try to a real example, personal story and data, which you will know when you have the experience in that field. You can use tools like Rank Math, Yoast SEO to optimize your blog posts which you write. Please add images, charts, YouTube videos to increase engagement. Because the whole target behind writing a high quality blog post is to provide quality information. It should not be like 2 pages long. The purpose is not to have 5,000 words of blog post. Purpose is to have a detailed blog post with important steps, tables, images, infographics, and video if required. So that is high quality blog post. And when you write it in your own way, it's targeting humans, not the tools, not Google search engines. Please write a blog post like talking to your friend. And you can always start your keyword research with free tools like Google Keyword Planner. I create a complete video about it, how you can find a niche and how you can do the keyword research. I create a complete video about it. You can check the link in description. You can ask ChatGPT to generate an outline, but please write it yourself. You can take help to draft ChatGPT, write the headings and points, but not copy pasting what ChatGPT gave you. I hope you get the point. Let me know what do you think about this. And if you agree with me or not, I will be really happy to hear what you have to say. And now if you agree a little bit, you want to really understand how blogging works, please check this video on screen which will explain you how to find the niche and how to do the keyword research using only free tools.